What's up, folks? Honey's Morning Update. July 29th. A few more days till end of month. So 36 is going to be important because that is where July opened. So if we close the month above that, they'll stave it off. If not, we close below it. That'll be the first down July, red July since '07. Just food for thought. 43 is still my upside target. Actually, it's about 44 to clean up these singles from that massive down day. We've held the lows, and we've also held this 28.33 level as well. We held it again last night. So we'll see. I'm assuming another attempt up here, and they'll pop it. It'll be interesting to see if they do a consolidation day or if they start ramping it in preparation for later in the week. A lot of earnings, big earnings, and Fed decision as well. So this is going to be a very interesting week, and I'm kind of just sitting back and curious to see how this all transpires. Support, this 96.99 level is probably going to be important. '05 is your 50-day. Then you've got the 80.83 level. 50 might stick, but I'm really looking at the 46. You could probably just say 46.40 level. Below 40, and I think that we start to head back down. Again, that 100 days at 53.80. But I think that 5400, 5405 is also a level. Here's your 19. Which could hold. At that 19 is something I'll be looking at. And then you have an 037 here, 9, and then 52. So we'll see how this all transpires. 53.37. That was a big level, the 53.40 level. So that 37.40 level, if we get down there. 53.70 is a monster. So we'll see. You could even get 69.73, and that's just below the 100-day. So we'll see how this all transpires. I'm kind of not expecting much today, so we will see. If anything, they're going to squeeze this back up. Here's the hourly. We went down, went up, crashed down, double bottom, and then back up. So they've been holding this level right here. Again, if we pop up R1's at 36, I'm really thinking that if they're ambitious, they'll get to the 73 level. Don't forget, 5602 clears this cash gap from last week or whenever that was. 5620. That's actually a decent level right there. I like that R3. I like the R2. I actually like the R1 as they pop, because you could see a pop above this and then a reversal. 54.90 is your pivot. 54.53, that's your 50 level there. I would watch that, but my concern is losing 40. 54.07, I really like that as well. And then 53.70. These are awesome today. I really like when they coincide. Here's your daily. As you see, we came down, popped up. There's the 50, there's the 100 days. So 53.80 is what I'm watching. There's your monthly open, that blue triangle there at 36 or 35. So that area is going to be important. So we will see how that works out. Here's your weekly. So we put in 2 red weeks. We wicked that week pretty good though. So again, I think that there is upside potential, but we will have to see. SPX. 2 cash gaps up above, starting at 55.08 to 29, and then 29 to 55. So that's a monster. There's another monster here, 67 to 20. That's a 45-point cash gap to the all-time highs. I'm not saying that fills. I'm just saying that's a monster cash gap. 59 is your closing and your 50-day. Now, the 50-day adjusts over, so it was, it was still just about on it. And then the cash gap, this 90 to 75, was chewed into. It was a 54.02, so it came in 12 points into this cash gap but did not fill. So 75 would be a look that I'd be watching on SPX. We have this little guy down here. I don't know if I'd worry about that little guy. Euro bouncing off the 50 and 200 day right now. So this is kind of a key support. If not, this I think travels down. We'll see if they reverse it back up. NQ up 141. Nvidia about a little green. ES up 25. And Dow up 159. RTY up 15. So again, we will see how this all transpires. This might set the tone for the week, or again, they might just be setting it up. We have a consolidation day, and then we'll see what happens the rest of the week. Anyway, stay safe this week. This is going to be wild, but hopefully we'll have good follow through with movements, and it will provide decent opportunities to extract some monies. Anyway, I'll be in the room.